Hey everyone, it's Marissa and I am back and I have a little project share that I wanted to share with you guys. So this is going to be like a little project share slash Aliexpress haul. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you the die first and then I'll show you the projects, and I will link all the information down below as far as the links to the Aliexpress shop that I purchased it from. So the first one I wanted to share with you is this wooden scallop die, and it looks like this. So the first thing that I made with this, I actually used this, I don't know what you want to call this. It's actually canvas, glitter canvas, and it was $1.99, and this is from Hobby Lobby. So I used this paper and I made some bows using it. Look at how cute. I love this die. And it's very affordable. So look at how yummy that looks. Reminds me of sugar. And you're gonna see a theme. I did like a blush theme on these little projects. They're embellishments, like Christmas embellishments, using like the blush and lots of sparkle. So I used this to make this, and I will link down below the Aliexpress shop that I got this from. And then I didn't stop there. I made this, and then I purchased this little die here as well, and they are antlers. So they look like this. And I tried cutting this on this paper, but it's too thick and I couldn't cut. So I did that, and then I made these little bows with the antlers. Look at how cute. They do sell this on Ali with the antlers, but I had purchased just the antlers separate. So I made a few of those, and I plan on putting some glitterific on it just to give it some sparkle like I did the other projects. So isn't that so super adorable? So that's what I did making or using these. Okay, and then the next one, I used this bow right here, and this is by the Alina Cuddle on Aliexpress. I used this little bow, and then I used this cute little deer. Look at how super cute that is. So I used these two things, and I made these cute little deers. And then I also just put some glitterific on it, and this is the what color is this? Transparent. Oh gosh, these are so hard with all the writing on it. Okay, it's the clear holographic glitterific. And I just made these little cute little embellishment. They're little reindeers with a little bow. Look at how cute. So that's what I did using these. And I will link it down below with the info. And then last but not least, I used this little die here, and it has a few little pieces. Let me just get it out for you. And it's basically like a reindeer head. And it has all these little pieces to it. So I used that. And then I made these cute little reindeers. And I added some googly eyes. Look at how cute. They kind of look cross-eyed a little bit. But I used some googly eyes. Look at the little nose. I made a glitter nose. And then I used some glitterific on, I don't know if you could see that, on the holly on its head. And I used some glitter paper, gold glitter paper for the antlers. Isn't that super cute? Look how cute. I love the googly eyes. And if you're wondering the size of these googly eyes, let me go get it for you. The googly eyes I used, it's from Hobby Lobby, and there's different sizes. So this particular size is a 6mm right there, and this has 310 pieces. This is $2.99 for all these googly eyes. So that's the googly eyes that I used for these cute little bows or reindeers. You have to kind of like smack them to get both the eyes the same. See if you can see this one. This one's kind of cross-eyed, and then this one lays down perfect. So yeah, that's my little projects of embellishments that I used using the Aliexpress dies. I will link down all the information below just in case you guys are interested in purchasing it. I hope everybody had a fantastic week and weekend. And if I don't talk to you or have a video before then, I just want to wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving. And yeah, so I will talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.